Hello, everybody. So today I'm with you for testing our project, trajectory estimation web service. Our project contains three essential parts, which is the web part, which runs our web service, which is a web application on Flask. We have Nginx handling our requests running on port 12345. And also we have Postgres database handling database transactions. It holds essential data of the users. And also we've got Redis, which uh, keeps the information that we need to access them very fast, such as the expired tokens. Well, so I already have run the Docker image. So let's go for testing our project. So one of the requests, okay, the first test I want to do is checking how responsive is our server to protected and unprotected requests. Basically, what I mean is by open requests, we have some open requests which APIs and returns data with no need for user credentials. And for such a request, if we make the request to our server, the result is pretty much some so the result that I've provided on our Nginx returns the result with the response to 200, which is okay. And now let's run the other API, which is an API that requires the credential and it needs to be protected. If someone else is asking for some protected data, then our result is going to be as following, which is the default result of the especially the default response of the Nginx. Now let's carry on with testing other use cases of our project, such as registration. So in such a case, we have a post request, and in such a case, we will have some attributes we need to pass, such as email. I will pass my own email. We need a password. This password, some dummy pass. So let's just send it. We see that my account already exists because I have already before signed up in this in my application. So let's change our password, change our email. Just let it be anything, just some user, right? So and some user and some pass. And let's see. So we get some message that the user was created, the access token and the refresh token. So for the next part of the test, I would like to test our trajectory estimation. So process trajectory. For this one, we require some attributes such as access token, which I will just get it from here. And for the next one is buffer size, which I would like to give it the value 10. Buffer size is actually the size of the vector of the trajectory. So it holds the how many frames we need to, how many frames does our program need to take care of for estimating the trajectory. So I would prefer to have last 10 frames. And the next one is the frame that I currently want to pass right now. And this one should be a base 64 frame of my data. So here I go with, okay, so I will upload some of the images I've got. So I just get the code and try to make the request. So I make the request as following. We need to get rid of this header data because we do not actually need it. So we send the request and here we get the result. So this is the estimated position of the object, and this is the estimated trajectory and the output image. Now we get the result and let's check the result. So here we paste our image results. So I would need to give the pure base 64 code. So as we see, this is the result of our model. So finally, I would like to run one of our unit tests for this project. So basically, because of handling the request, it's a bit slow. So as you see here, this output that you see here is basically the vector of our trajectory. Now I have a object which I would like to detect the trajectory of this ball. So I'm going to check this ball trajectory. Well, if I get a bit closer, I get a bit finer results because the farther I am, I have my hands shaking, so it also have some results when it's farther. So as you can see, the trajectory is estimated pretty well, and the vector has the results output. Besides, we got the image result. So thank you for checking my project. Good luck.